Hey guys, Andrew from Calvert Sports Cards here. New video for you today. New product that I haven't opened before on the channel or off camera. We've got some Chronicles soccer cello packs, value packs, we want to call them. You get a couple different leagues in each pack if you are not familiar. We'll just rip into the first one here so you can see. So we got Premier League, La Liga, and Serie A, 5 cards from each league. So let's see which league was better and which pack was better. So I'll try to keep it sorted behind the camera here. That's a pretty cool one to start off with. An Origins color match of Phil Foden, Raul Jimenez, Edward rookie, same guy, back to back. That stars print is pretty cool though. And I don't even know how to pronounce that guy's name. Favorite card in that pack was definitely Phil Foden. Coming up on the La Liga pack here. All right, Cania, Fernandez, Oyarzabal, Alaba, and Pierre. And for the Serie A pack, Armando, oh, got 2 of them there. Sigurdsson, not the one that plays for Everton. Not sure how to pronounce his name. And Capiari. So obviously I'm not a huge Serie A fan. Not many names that are recognizable in that first set, unfortunately. This should be a quicker video. Let's go in reverse order. We'll go with Serie A first. All right. Deulofeu. And Pudu. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I don't really know. Beto. And João Pedro. So that's number 1. That was Serie A. I don't really know how to decide between the 2 packs, so I'm just not even gonna try. Jimenez, Bellerin, Gauti, and Simon. So, do you get, doesn't say if you get any purples or anything. So that purple mojo must just, maybe it's 1 per pack, I'm not too sure. All right, 5 Premier League cards. Got Ronaldo right on top, that's cool. Keller, goalkeeper for Liverpool. Michel Antonio. Mane, he's since transferred, and Jadon Sancho. So here's the Premier League cards again, just because that's the most popular league that we're viewers of. This is my favorite one, Origins Foden. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. It's at Calvert_sports_cards. Comment below what your favorite card, or if you've had another nice soccer cards pull recently. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.